Hello everyone, my name is Swastik Sharma, student of Software Engineering at Chitkara University. In this video, I will be demonstrating my program, the Student Grading Management System for my distinction task. So basically this program is designed to simplify the process of managing student academic records, offering an efficient and accurate way to handle grades, calculate GPAs and generate detailed reports. Now let's dive into how this program works and explore its key features. Starting off with the libraries, this program is developed in Splashkit which is mentioned over here. Then I have initialized two variables named as maximum students and maximum subjects of size 110 respectively, which will be later used in the program to determining the size of the arrays. Now here I have made a struct named student which will be storing the student details like name, roll number, subjects, grades and subject count. Now let's jump to the main function and see how all these functions are working. First of all, I have declared a students array of the data type student which is a struct whose size is maximum students which is 100. Then I have made two variables student count and choice. The student count variable will calculate the number of students in the array students, and the choice variable is storing the choice of the user which he will be entering. So here the do while loop is used which will be determining the flow of the program. In the do part I am asking the user what he want to do, like add grades, view grades, calculate GPA, generate report, exit. Based on the choice, the switch statement will work. If we chooses first, then the add grade function will be called. If we chooses to, then the view grade function will be called. Now let us see what all these functions are doing. Let's start off with the add grade function. So in the add grades function, first of all, this condition is checked. If the student count variable is greater than the maximum students, it shows limit reached. This means that the students array is full, no more data can be entered. Otherwise, the other part of the code will be executed. Here, the student count, which is initialized as 0, so the first data will be stored in the 0th index of the students array. Then I am asking the basic details like name and roll number, number of subjects the user want to enter. So then this for loop is used to capture the input from the user. Then it shows a message added successfully. In the view grades function, first of all, if the student count is 0, that means there is no data to be displayed, so it writes no data. Then I am asking the user if he wants to see the specific student details or all students detail. If he chooses one, then the if statement will be executed. First of all, I'm asking the roll number of the student. Then the roll number is converted into the integer and stored in the roll number variable. In the for loop will be executed. If the input is equal to the roll number stored in the students array, then the if statement will be executed. Here the name of the student will be displayed, then the subjects will be displayed. Subjects the student has user has entered will be displayed, and the respective grades of the subject will be displayed over here. Else, if there is no roll number, if the roll number is not matched, then it writes not found. Moving on to the calculate grades. First of all, I'm asking the roll number. So if the roll number is matched to the roll number stored in the students array, then the if statement will be executed. All the grades of the subject is added over in the total variable. Now in this, here I am calculating the GPA. So total is divided by the number of subjects. So for example, if the total is 90 and the number of subjects is 2, then the GPA will be 90 divided by 2. Else, if the roll number is not matched, we are writing not found. So now moving on to the next function, which is generate report. Then first of all, roll number is asked, and similarly, if the roll number is equal to the roll number stored in the students array, then the if statement will be executed. Here I'm writing the report of the student, the name of the student, then the subject stored in the students array will be displayed over here, and the respective grade will be also displayed. Here again I am calculating the total grades, and here again I am calculating the GPA. If the roll number is not matched, I am writing not found. So basically on the choice the user enter, the following function will be called. If it types 5, then program will exit and the code will be terminated. Now let's test the code for the sample value. So let's first add up grades. So I'm choosing one. My name is Swastik Sharma. Roll number is 4893. Let us enter for two subjects, maths 90, subject 2 science for 95. So the data is added successfully. Now let's calculate the GPA. Now let's enter a false roll number which is 45. So it displays not found roll number. Let us again calculate the GPA with the correct roll number, 4893. So here the GPA is calculated, which is 92. Now let us test the code with the generate report function. 4893. Now the detailed report of the student is displayed like in the roll number 4893. Report for Swastik Sharma. Maths marks 90 marks and science 95. Total GPA is 92.5. As you have seen, this system provides a straightforward and effective way to manage student grades, calculate GPA, and generate detailed reports. It is a tool designed to save time, reduce errors, and make academic record keeping more efficient. I hope this demonstration has explained you how my program works and found it helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day.